Can dissipation of assets impact your divorce settlement? Imagine working hard to build a life together, only to see one spouse secretly spend or hide money during the divorce process. This is what dissipation of assets is all about. It happens when one spouse wastes, transfers, or hides marital property for reasons unrelated to the marriage, especially during its breakdown. Common examples include spending on affairs, gambling excessively, transferring assets to friends or family, or selling property below market value without permission. These actions reduce the total amount of shared assets available for division, which can hurt the other spouse financially. Courts see dissipation as unfair because it can skew the division of property. If you can prove that assets were wasted intentionally, the court might give the innocent spouse a larger share of the remaining assets. Sometimes, the court orders the spouse who dissipated the assets to pay back the value if possible. If the assets are gone and cannot be recovered, the court might deduct their value from that spouse's share of the estate. In some cases, penalties or additional support payments are ordered to make up for the losses caused by dissipation. To prove dissipation, you need to show that the assets were marital property, the spending happened during the marriage's breakdown, and it was wasteful and not for legitimate reasons. It must also be shown that the spending was intentional, not just poor money management. Keeping detailed financial records during the marriage and especially during divorce proceedings is key. Avoid making large or unusual purchases or transfers without your spouse's knowledge once divorce is on the horizon. Getting legal help early can protect your rights. A family law attorney can help gather evidence and pursue legal remedies if you suspect dissipation. Using early legal protections like restraining orders can prevent your spouse from dissipating assets during divorce. Addressing dissipation early on helps ensure a fairer division of property and prevents one spouse from unfairly depleting shared resources. Being aware of these issues and acting promptly can make a big difference in your financial outcome.